Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the sleep aid function in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the premium section, look for the sleep aid button and click on that. But remember that this function is only available if you're on the premium subscription of the application. So here this section is as you can see, there are 3 settings. So you can set if you want to allow file download always, or if you're on Wi-Fi only, to keep downloaded files for 1 night, 20 nights, or forever. 20 nights is the recommended one. And then the third one is to automatically fades out when you fall asleep. You can set this as an intelligent setting or regular, but for the regular one you have to set a time frame. So just click on the one that you want to use and they are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.